All right, here we go. It is Monday, July 22nd. Another week. Let's take a look at some ETFs, some stocks. All right, stocks. So this is the daily chart. So check this out, this run it's been on ever since November. Back and forth we go. April, we go down. From March, April, May, we start to go up again. This has been a huge run. We go all the way to 65. There's a little dip here. Thought that could be the downturn. Nope, didn't happen. We went up again. There's another massive candle. Then followed green candles. Then a gap down. Where we're at now. Green candle, red, green. It's trying to hold up here pretty much as 46.75 line. Look at stochastics. Very overbought. That's the sell signal right here. Go all the way full cycle from top to bottom. Yeah, you have a low in here, stochastics 4.98. That's a great time to buy. Now, is this the bottom? It looks like it right now. As I look at futures, they're negative a little bit. Nasdaq's minus 38, pretty much flat. But what you see here, if this goes up to, let me see here, 58, and then we go back down, then that will be more of a worry that we're going lower. So we'll see if this bounces up and this goes through that eventually. Not on one day, but we could grind up there, back up. You're pretty much at the low here, unless you're in a downtrend. Like back here, we're just going down and down. The bounces are going down. We haven't proven that yet. This is just a bigger move down. I thought it could go to 40, 45-ish. We'll see. The weekly, weekly is going down now. That is a big separation I have read over white. Now we could get that bounce still, but then go back down. So, we'll see if that happens. Let's see the monthly crossing up bullish and quarterly, it's still way bullish at this point. 4 hour broke through that. That's why I get above this 54, 55. 2 hour, caught in between EMAs, 1 hour, you're above 30 minutes. He crossed above that. All right, so let's look at the 5 minute here, see what happened today. Let me bring this over. All right, so this was, let me bring this all the way down. All right, so pre-market, I did the video this morning. So 49.50, we get down to 49. This nice little move here. Look at this, all the way up to 50. Now you got to watch the open. Remember, I said that went all the way down, probably pushed out long. They're trying to go long here, but then they brought it right back up. 51 line, 49.50. Go back and forth. There's a triple top it, 51 right here. And then you get back down to 49.12. And then this took off. So once you have your line like right here, keep a tight line. It crossed above that 50. That's today's open line. And this thing took off all the way to pretty much 53. So after this chopped around, a nice move pre-market, they decided to go long here. It was a good momentum. Market was very strong. The Nasdaq was up. Nasdaq was up 280. So this was a very good play long. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves today on Soxl. So it's tremendous action right now. Let me put this back here, these lines. So you had that big candle here. Let me draw this line over here. I'm trying to get them as tight as possible. If you put this through, you keep it tight here. So you can see here, since that top here crossing down here, this is above it. You can actually make this tighter. So you're crossing through all these candles and right here, or you can make it like lower here. It depends how you want to look at it at this point. How you're keeping it, how tight you're keeping your lines. This is pretty good because it comes through here and here. And then I like stochastics very oversold. So in looking for a bounce tomorrow, and unless there's bad news in the market or something, so we could go up here. That'll be my point right here about this 56 line. We get over 55. We'll see if it gets above this and then we go higher, or if not, and then it goes back down. That would be, the highs would still be getting lower at that point. So we'll see how this plays out. I really like it to get to 40, but it didn't happen. It's still way above that. All right. That's it for Soxl. So another great day. Trading this is like unbelievable. This, NVIDIA, TQQQ, Tesla, they've been great. It's great action every day, the volatility. All right. So that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Mike J Trades on X. Mike Kim and Trades on Instagram and TikTok. That's it. Peace.